We are going to begin a new lesson where we want to study more decision-making structures, especially with some examples. Since this is a new lesson, let's start with creating new subfolder as a project folder. Here is the dedicated folder for this course. We have subfolders. Each of those corresponds to the lessons. So let me create a new folder. Folder name is decision underscore application. So we are going to learn some applications of decision structure. So let's open it by Visual Studio Code. And open folder on desktop. This is a dedicated folder, and this is the project folder we have just created it. The project name appears all in uppercase within VS Code.